Hi future tutors! In this video you will learn about the Equifax Employment Center portion of the application process to become a graduate tutor at Mesa College. We will also help you with the NANC forms, also known as the print and bring forms. Keep watching. Let's begin with the Equifax Employment Center. This is an important portion of your application process that you will do online. In the email that you received from the Business Support Office, there will be a link to the Equifax Employment Center website. You will also receive a username and instructions with your password in the same email. You will use this information to access the Equifax Employment Center. After logging into the Equifax Employment Center, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure you write this down in a safe place so you don't forget it. Follow the instructions and directions sent in the email that you received from the Business Support Office. Most of the forms will be completed online. Many of these forms simply require you to read the information and acknowledge that you understand it by writing your initials in the designated box. However, among the forms that you will fill out online on Equifax, there will be some that you will need to print and bring to your appointment at the Business Support Office. These are labeled Employee Forms, NANCs, in the table of contents. Please note that you do not need to print all the forms on Equifax. You are required to print only 4 forms from Equifax. They are CalPERS, Beneficiary Designation Form, Social Security Form, and Retirement Form. The first form that you will fill out is the CalPERS form. CalPERS stands for California Public Employees Retirement System, and this is what it looks like. You will fill out this form with your personal information, such as your Social Security number and full name. In the job or position title, you will write Educational Technician, and the department is LRAS, Tutoring. The term of appointment is temporary, and the time base is part-time. Please leave the number of months your appointment is expected to last and the appointment date blank. In the option, you are excluded from CalPERS because, you will choose option number 2, which states your part-time appointment is limited to less than 20 hours per week. Then you will sign and add the date. The next form that you will be asked to fill out is the Beneficiary Designation for Deceased Employee, which is composed of 2 pages. On the first page of this form, you will indicate a person who will be contacted and will receive your paycheck in case something happens to you. You will write your full name and Social Security number. Please check the non-academic box. Then, you will write the name of the designee, that is, the name of the person who will be contacted in case an emergency happens and who will be able to receive any money on your behalf. Mark your relationship with this person and include their personal and contact information. Then, sign and include the date. On the second page of the beneficiary form, you will include information about the person you designated as your beneficiary on page 1. Start by completing the form with your full name, Social Security number, current date, and your email. Then complete step 3 on the form. If you are not married, complete the first part with the designee information. If you are married, complete the second part. Please indicate the percentage that each designee will receive. If you have only one designee, indicate 100%. If you have more than one, split 100% among the designees and make sure that the total amount equals 100%. Note that if the designee or designees do not have a Social Security number, you will leave this information blank. Then, sign and include the date. Another form that you will have to fill out is the Social Security form. This shows that you have read and understand that this position is not covered by Social Security benefits. Here, you will write your full name and Social Security number. Then sign and write the date. The retirement information form looks like this. Here, you will indicate that this position is non-academic and you will complete it with your personal information and date. Then complete parts 1, 2, 3, and 4 if applicable. If you answered no to all the questions on Part 1, then it is likely that you have not contributed to any of the systems mentioned in Part 2. Write the date and sign. Please remember that you will print these forms, fill them out, and bring them to your appointment in the Business Support Office, along with the other forms that are part of your application process. If you have questions about which documents you will need to bring hard copies of to your appointment in the Business Support Office, please watch our next video titled, What to Bring to Your Appointment at the Business Support Office. Good luck, future tutors!